back again, and here I have another NES game, Nintendo Entertainment System cartridge. This is Flying Dragon, the Secret Scroll Flying Dragon. Okay, so this game, I purchased this on eBay. Person listed it as non-working. It was like, I paid $9.80. That's like the cheapest one that I could find with this title. So I don't know if it's working. I'm going to test it right now. So let's see if this works or not. And if it doesn't work, we're going to try to see if we can clean it up and get it running. Okay, so it appears to look like it's not working. Got a green screen first, and now I got a black screen. Pretty much, you see green and black. So let's try to first open this bad boy up. Let me get my tool here. So it has 3 screws in the back. 3 security screws. I'm going to remove these screws out. Let's see what it looks like in the inside. Okay, so now I'm going to open it up. Have a look. Okay. It looks a little dirty, but it doesn't really look that bad. Pins are a little dirty. A little bit dirty. So I'm going to try to clean it up. So I use a few things to clean them up. So let me see if I can get this a little closer here. Okay, I'm going to try to shoot this in one shot here. So I'm going to use, as I usually use a few things here. I can find everything. I got everything on, like, let's try some alcohol. Okay, let's just try a little alcohol here. Put a little alcohol on the pins. So I'm going to do that first. And I got an eraser. I don't even know where I put it at. Eraser. Okay, it should be over here in one of these containers. Let me grab this. Alright, I have the eraser in here. So what I like to do, I like to use an eraser as well. And just rub the pins. The eraser. Okay, and then I like to use, I mean, I don't really like to use this, but I use it, Brasso. Because it does leave a residue on the pins, but what I do is generally after I use it, I clean it off with some alcohol. So I'm going to use the Brasso both sides. Looking like a gloppy mess here. Some of it just fell on my pants. Okay. Wipe some of it off. Now I'm going to just use some of this alcohol again. me just use this, some of this compressed air. A little bit of a mess, so clean it with that. Okay, let's work it down. So now I'm gonna try it out. Just reset that again. I'm not going to put it in the cartridge. Which side? Now I don't even know which way this thing goes. Totally forgot. I think it's like this. Yeah, like this. So I think it's facing this way. I hope I'm right. I'm not even sure. Alright, black screen. I think I'm facing it the wrong way. Might be this way. I don't even know which direction it actually goes. Let's see. Oh, there you go. Hold on. There you go. It's working. It's working. Game is working. What's the controller? I've never played this game before. So, game is working. Close this before I knock this whole thing down. Let me see. Let's start. Flying Dragon. The Secret Scroll. Beginner. Let's see. So the game does work. Just needed a nice little cleaning there. See how it plays. The journey. Let me check to see how it plays. It's like a fighting game. It's like an adventure game. It's like an adventure game. So the game does work. So I got the game working. And pretty much I'm just going to put it back, close it up, put it back in the case, and that's the end of that. So that was the Secret Scroll Flying Dragon. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace out.